Right, this is a quick video because the adverts don't let you put more than a quick video on. So what this is basically is a Suzuki Splash, as you can see. Right, it's in really good condition. One of the real benefits is that it's got 22,000, yes, 22,000 miles on the clock. It's had one previous owner. I'm not really a trader, but I'm a private seller. But I feel so confident about this vehicle that I'm going to give you all the benefits of this. In other words, you can have a warranty on it if you want, 3-month warranty, because I know it's absolutely perfect. So you won't find anything wrong with this vehicle at all. If you look at the book price value, you're talking about 3,800, 3,900. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to ask for 3,4995 for this. Because of the low mileage, because it's ULEZ compliant, and the road tax is £20 a year.